Which SUV is actually good for short drivers? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, SRU Turbo Car Booster Seat. First up is the SRU Turbo Car Booster Seat Cushion. Priced at $27.98, this cushion caught my attention because it promises to elevate your driving experience. If you want a simple solution to see over your dashboard, this is worth a serious look. The breathable cotton material and ergonomic design provide comfort while reducing pressure on your back and hips. With a solid 4.4-star rating from over 1,700 reviews, many users rave about its effectiveness in improving visibility. Now, some people complained about it being a little too firm for their liking. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a cushion that won't flat over time, that firmness might actually be a plus. This is perfect for you if you're a short driver tired of straining to see while driving. Skip this one if you're looking for something plush and soft. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for improving road visibility. Product number 2, WSGJHB Adult Booster Seat Cushion. Next, we have the WSGJHB Adult Booster Seat Cushion, priced at $35.10. This one really stands out with its dual functionality for both driving and office use. If you want a cushion that works in multiple settings, this is definitely worth a look. The central groove design not only keeps you secure but also alleviates strain on your lower back. With over 5,300 reviews, it holds a commendable 4.4-star rating for its comfort and support. However, I did notice some reviews mentioning that it doesn't fit well in all types of car seats. But here's the thing, most users found it fits perfectly in standard vehicles, so it really depends on your specific seat type. This is ideal for anyone needing extra height and comfort, especially during long drives. Skip this if you have unusually shaped seats that might not accommodate a cushion well. Now, if the size of the previous product bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 3, Airoi Vi-Car Booster Seat Cushion. Coming in next is the Airoi Vi-Car Booster Seat Cushion at a price of $32.99. Its breathable mesh fabric initially caught my eye, making it a great option for those hot summer drives. If you're looking for a cushion that keeps you cool while raising your height, this could be your answer. Measuring 17.7 L x 16.9 W x 3H, this cushion provides a 3-inch height boost, allowing for better visibility and a more relaxed driving posture. Its non-slip silicone bottom ensures it stays in place, and with a 4.2-star rating from 727 reviews, many users appreciate how it improves comfort over long distances. Some users mentioned it being difficult to clean, which can be a hassle. This is a great choice if you want a cushion that prioritizes airflow and stability. Skip it if you're looking for something with a thicker height boost, as it's only 3 inches tall. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might just check all your boxes for comfort. Product number 4, ZAVM Adult Booster Seat. Next up is the ZAVM Adult Booster Seat, priced at $26.99. This cushion is known for its excellent posture support, which is something you definitely want on long drives. If you need a combination of height and lumbar support, this is worth considering. Made from breathable air layer fabric, it has a solid 4.3-star rating from over 1,300 reviews, with users praising the comfort it provides throughout long road trips. Some reviews did mention it being a bit bulky to carry around. Here's the deal though, if you're using it primarily in your car, that bulkiness is a fair trade-off for the support it offers. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something that helps with posture during long drives. Skip this if you need something compact for everyday transport. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more adjustable, let's check out the next product. Product number 5, HOMBYS Adjustable Car Booster Seat. Last but not least is the HOMBYS Adjustable Car Booster Seat, priced at $32.99. What's unique here is its adjustable height feature, which really tailors the experience for different needs. If you want a cushion that can grow with you, this one's worth a serious look. The ergonomic design is perfect for shorter drivers, and its foam filling provides great support without losing shape over time. It has a 4.1-star rating from 291 reviews, and many users found it helps reduce lower back pain during long drives. Some people mention the adjustment process being a bit tricky, but honestly, once you figure it out, it's a fantastic feature that makes this cushion versatile. This is perfect for you if you want something that can be customized to fit your height needs. Skip it if you prefer a straightforward solution without adjustments. Alright, we've covered a range of options. So we've explored 5 great options for short drivers looking for that extra boost. Whether you're leaning towards firmness, breathability, or adjustability, there's something here for everyone. Remember, a good seat cushion can make a world of difference in your driving experience.